Today I will read a quote by Elon Musk that says, "Hard work beats talent if talent does not work hard." During my first semester of studying nutrition and food science, I was able to join the student council with two other classmates from the same semester, and it was the first time that Ibero Tijuana allowed first semester students to join the student council, which was an amazing opportunity for us. And we were actually elected to become a part of the student council, which I'm very grateful for. Ibero Tijuana has jornadas de nutrición. They choose a theme every year, and they pick topics to talk about. They bring speakers from different countries or just different states within the country. A lot of schools from Mexicali, from Tijuana, from Rosarito come to this event because it's a very important event that the school hosts. During our second semester, we received the news that there would no longer be jornadas de nutrición. We came up with the idea of hosting a health convention. We started planning it in March from 2019, and we planned it for the next semester, for October of 2019. The first thing that we needed was a name. I actually came up with the idea of naming it NutriCon. Got inspired by Comic-Con, and we started planning the topics, the theme. And once we had all of the ideas set, we had to ask for the school permission. Once we received the yes from the school, it was time to really start working. We had to look for sponsorships. Me and my friend Michelle were in charge of contacting big brands. That was a really hard task for us. We had no experience, but we ended up contacting big brands like Coca-Cola. We made a deal, and the event was moved to November 2019, but was a success. All of the speakers could come, and it was broadcasted online as well. One of the hardest things that we had to face, all of the work was divided by only 5 people. It was a lot of work for each person, and since none of us had experience in planning, and I believe that's what made this a challenge for everyone. We really enjoyed every second of it, and we are already planning the next one for 2020. Like I mentioned, during our first semester, my friend Michelle and I were able to join the student council, and the rest of the student council were much older than us. Well, not a lot, but they were older than us, 2 semesters away from graduating. They were very nice, and they taught us everything that we needed to learn about the career, about the school, and one day they mentioned nutrigenomics. It's a science that studies the relationship between the human genome, nutrition, and health. I became instantly fascinated with the topic, and I wanted to learn everything about it. My friend from the 7th semester told me that there was this one guy, the only Mexican scientist working in the field. He was going to be in Tijuana very soon. Back then, he was going to present the topic in a health convention as well. I was really excited, and when I looked for the event, the tickets were already sold out. But she mentioned that maybe someday he could become one of our teachers. I was very excited about that, and I instantly started praying for that miracle to happen. After that, my friend and I sort of became fans. On our 4th semester, back in January, we were waiting for our teacher to arrive, and we see him in the hallway, and we're like, dude, that's him. We're just speechless. We're just telling each other, like, can you imagine him being our teacher, like, right now? And we were like, yeah, that would be a dream come true. It turns out that he was our teacher for a statistics class, and the project that I'm now showing on my screen is what we worked on for his class during the whole semester. Our teacher mentioned that he loved our hard work, and we got to present it for the whole world to see. It was very exciting. It was an amazing experience. And the picture that I am now showing on my screen shows the name of the 3 owners of the webpage. So it became a project, and that is how our dream became a reality. And now we are working with him. I learned that there are so many great things happening for us because of our hard work and passion. And that encourages me to never give up and keep working harder.
Prove everywhere that your boy is the best. Take a look at my face, do a chi-square test. Better than the rest. Catch me on the cable. I got girls equal to the random digits table. I got rap bars, I got act bars, I got fat cars, I got super dog. I'm eating checks mix. Kuyak being rude, Jake being rude. I'm a deck dog. Statistic, yeah, statistic, yeah, statistic, yeah, statistic, yeah. Miss Law, Miss Law, Miss Law, Miss Law, statistic, yeah, statistic, yeah, statistic, yeah, statistic, yeah. Miss Law, Miss Law, Miss Law, Miss Law. Like no means no. Let's go. 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 No means no.